Good morning, everybody. It is May 5th, Wednesday morning here. Hope everyone's doing good. Right now, we're going to take a quick look at Chainlink and see what the price action is telling us. I'm not sure if you watched the analysis we have for Chainlink yesterday. We're looking at it somewhere at the 43, 44 dollar region, and we broke above major resistances somewhere at the 44 and 44.5 dollar region. So you're seeing a lot of buy power right now, a lot of buying interest. You're seeing that obviously with the market cap overall yesterday at the beginning of the day. Chainlink had a market cap of 16.6 billion, pushed all the way to the 21.3 billion, and right now we're sitting at the 20 billion. So you're seeing that massive buy pressure that's pouring into this coin. And overall, right now, Chainlink is currently sitting at the 12th rank in terms of total market cap. And the next thing I'm seeing here, 22 billion, 22 billion. 23 billion until we actually start getting into the top 10 market cap. So it's pretty nice to see that. It's just an interesting thing, I guess, to look at. And that's overnight, guys. All that money's coming in. And we're obviously seeing some sort of retracement right now, which makes sense because we've been pushing here since April 25th. Chainlink had a nice run up, not a lot of red days overall. And we pushed all the way, a good 72%. So it only makes sense for this volatile, I guess, within this volatile market to see a lot of profit taking once you move past through major resistances as such as this one. But overall, this is what we're having yesterday with Chainlink. I'm not sure if you watched the video. I'll just link it somewhere here from yesterday. But we're looking at it somewhere at the $44 region. And we're forecasting a good pump somewhere close to the 50, which is not really, that greatest movement, but it's just something interesting to see, I guess. But overall, we're seeing Chainlink here ever since December. We have a 4-month-old support line that we typically see those buyers start to jump in to buy and accumulate Chainlink. And overall, we're seeing that the support is a bit more, not that aggressive. It's just a nice gradual increase. Every time we have a downtrend, Chainlink typically likes to find that support at it. And you can see here that we have a couple of EMAs that Chainlink also likes to find that support at when we downtrend. So overall, right now we are currently overextended. We're seeing a bit of that retracement happen at the moment. At the end of this video, we'll also talk about major targets or macro targets that I'm currently interested in terms of where Chainlink will start landing. But overall, you see here every time Chainlink pushes above and creates that distance between the EMAs we got over here, it likes to come back down and revisit them again. They act like some sort of a magnet, basically. So looks like it goes up, tries to find that. I'm looking at the daily chart right now. So it finds that support at the 21 EMA as a first stop. If that holds, we continue push back up. And the heavier we go up, guys, the more steep the drop is, that's the uptrend is, the heavier the drop's going to be. And that's, you see that all across this the crypto market. But so first stop would be 21 EMA, likes to hover above it for a bit. And then if that doesn't hold, the more we touch it, like for example, somewhere here, we just come back to it and boom, right up. But if we spend too much time around it, then, we weaken. And that's what typically happens. The more you touch a support or resistance line, the more you are likely to break above it or below it. So just weakening that zone overall. But if that doesn't hold, Chainlink likes to go back down to the 55 EMA. And if obviously that doesn't hold, I think the most important one we should be looking at is the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. So every time we go up, we like to come back again to retouch it, this blue line, push back up, come back down to touch it. And overall, while we're uptrending, we're seeing a lot of buy pressure. You'll see that the 21 EMA always likes to support the price action on a very short term, right? So every time we go up, create a bit of a distance, come back down to retest, come back down to retest. You see a lot of wicks here as we go up. Once it has a major come down again, those wicks also like to jump back to it. And as soon as we reach some sort of a peak, we're way overextended. Chainlink would kind of sell off back to the 100 EMA. So that's that we're looking at right here. That's what I'm interested in currently. I think we pushed really a lot. And I would expect some sort of a sideways action until those EMAs catch up. So right now, we're currently far away from the 21 EMA. We haven't really hugged that much yet. So I expect, and this is, guys, you need to keep in mind, this is on a very short term. So It's not like I'm saying, hey, this is gonna downtrend, is gonna start going crazy. But this is for the person, for the people that would like to buy Chainlink at a more of a discounted price, right? So let's say if we drop somewhere maybe here to retest these levels, this previous high again, that's a good 13% discount. So it's pretty good. But if you want to wait a bit more and see how it accumulates, you don't want to buy at the top, you're kind of scared. There's a lot of ways that you can approach this as it goes down in terms of dollar cost averaging. But yeah, along the way, we have macro levels that we look at in general, but along the way we have those small minor stops that we like to forecast and see, so we can optimize that profit we're gonna make, right? So this is what we're looking at right now, but the most important level that we should be definitely taking a look at is the $44 region. So let's see how that plays out, guys. Let's see how this 21 EMA actually starts to catch up to us here, and if we don't find that support, then I think the 100 EMA will also start coming back in. And if Chainlink decides to go sideways for a bit and not find that support here, then I think these lower levels will definitely be that support. So that's something that's what we kind of need to keep in mind. Overall, in terms of the macro levels for Chainlink, we just have a bit of a Fibonacci extension here for you just to kind of see where the majority of the market, I would say. And look, the Fibonacci extensions are pretty subjective, so obviously a lot of people can draw it in so many different ways, but you try to get the impulse, you get the bottom, the beginning of the impulse, all the way to the peak of that impulse, and then a bit of that retracement, and then you'll see what the market has been reacting to. And you can see here that the 1.618 region was pretty reactive, acted as a great resistance, and that's pretty reactive, so that's pretty good. And I think the next level was the $50 region, which is just a psychological region. But I think eventually somewhere at $56 would be a next stop. And then obviously we can continue to go up and up and up. But right now for the short term a bit, I think still if Chainlink continues to push upwards, which for the moment on a short term, I think that the consolidation phase is granted. I think we're going to continue to push back up to the 56. And then once we get to the 56, obviously we'll see what the next level is. But that's pretty much it for me. Let me know in the comments section if you like the video, if you agree or disagree with my analysis or not. And yeah, if you like it, then please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think. If you'd like to support us on Patreon, then definitely do so. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the videos we'll have up today, and we're having those live streams. It's been really fun at the end of the day here, guys. So if you'd like to join that at the end of the day, then definitely make sure you do so. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.